this session we are going to understand what activity life cycles are. Let me just first explain you how an activity runs in your Android device. As soon as your Android application is launched from a home screen, let me give you a quick demonstration through the phone here. Let's say we are here on the menu bar, and on this menu bar, let's say we have an application icon available here. Okay. So we are going to perform our service using this TaskDB app. Now what we have is, at this moment we are at this stage wherein we are going to click on this icon, Android icon, and the first method will be executed, that is my onCreate method. As soon as that onCreate method executes, created will be called, that means activity will be created. Once the activity is created, onStart method will execute. As soon as that onStart method executes, then you will see your application running and it will be visible. Okay, so let's just do that. So as soon as we click on our TaskDB app, the first thing happens was onCreate executed, your activity was created, then onStart method executed, and now you have access to your activity and it is visible on screen. Now what you can do is, let's say you can click on home screen, or what I can do is, let's just type in some information. Let's say your name is Deepak and we are going to specify some details. Let's say some details. Now at the moment you can see that I have specified some information within this application. Okay. We are at the stage where my activity is visible. Now let's say if I click on home screen on my mobile device, so we came out of the screen and we reached to the home screen, to the desktop screen. Now once we again open our application, in this case activity will not get created, it will only be resumed using a method known as onResume. Okay, so and at this moment what we have, it is paused at the moment, it is partially visible and it is running at the background. So now once we go back to our TaskDB again, and as soon as we click, so you can see that the activity, instead of being created, it has been resumed, and due to this resume property we have got the same values returned which we have written before pausing this activity. So this is known as activity life cycle. This activity life cycle can be easily coded in Android Studio, and this we will be performing in the next session.